Whoa. Most of the time I'm working on projects alone, but sometimes there's stuff that I just need help with, and my go-to person for that help is my wife, Sarah. But she's not the best builder's assistant. And in this video, I'm showing you a little hack that I worked out on how to line up poles remotely. G'day, welcome to Chestnut Nag. My name's Stuart Chignall, and as part of my workshop build, I had to get 3 poles lined up while I was securing the tops of them on top of the frame roof that I'm working on for my workshop. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get Sarah's help to line them up so I wouldn't have to sort of adjust them, get down off the frame, check them, get back up again, adjust them, get back down again. That didn't work well. Right, the next thing, Sarah, is this pole here. Yeah. The base of it needs to go onto the brick. So, Sarah, how's it look?
Looks like a piece of wood leaning against a tree.
Are you trying to be annoying?
You asked me to tell you what it looked like.
Alright, is it lining up with the piece of timber, the pole that's going to form the valley? She's not imbuing me with masses of confidence.
You're the one that won't give me a hammer.
Thanks for your help.
See ya. Let's come back out again. Call me.
Hey. My coffee cup's just down there. Any chance of you filling it up?
Nah.
What? Because you love me?
Oh, I love you heaps. So I want to make you a coffee today.
Bugger. Sarah is an awesome wife. Ah, thank you. Now, I just need one more favour.
Yeah.
But she is not an awesome builder's assistant. Well, now that I'm on the ground, I can see that those poles aren't in the right position at all. This one needs to be over quite a bit, as does that one. Needs to come over to there. So here's a cunning trick that I'm going to use so I don't have to use Sarah and therefore have a happier marriage. Now what I'm going to do is get the GoPro to line up. And when the GoPro lines up, it'll be lined up. And then with the GoPro app on my phone, I'll be able to see if... how do I do this? I can't. Well, see if this this pole here lines up with that pole there. Yeah, but I'll be able to see that when I'm, up the tree on the frame. Whoa. Okay, so we got one side done. Now the other. I think I have to admit that using a GoPro and a smartphone is cheating on an unplugged project. They don't have cords, but it's cheating, yes. But in the interests of matrimonial harmony, I think it's a good thing. Because sometimes when I'm getting Sarah's help, there is a little bit of shouting when she doesn't understand my instruction. Yeah. So anyway, if you've got any similar ideas to smooth over relationship with your builder's assistant, I'd love to hear them and let's have a chat about them in the comments. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you find this useful, and I'll catch you in the next video where I'll be thatching. Oh, time to put the roof on.